Good. That's right. Casey is sitting nicely with really good hands. Really good hands. Very good. All the way up. Boom. 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 Very good sitting. That's right. Yes, you can play. You guys are king of the jungle. Okay, so I have some flashcards over here. Now, can everybody come out and get one? Very good. That's right. Everybody came out and get it. Good job, Casey. Listening well. Very good. You didn't listen quite well. Bye-bye. This time, how about I would like to invite my little friends whose name starts with a K to come out and get an umbrella.